Hi everyone, welcome back to PRAKASAM tutorials. So in this video, I am going to discuss about applications of Python. So as mentioned before videos, Python is one of the most widely used languages for the web applications, web development. Easy to learn. Python has few keywords, simple structure and clearly defined syntax. So this allows the students to pick up the language quickly. So Python is easy to read. So Python code is more clearly defined and visible to the eyes. So Python is easy to maintain. So Python source code is fairly easy to maintain. Interactive mode. So Python has supports for an interactive mode which allows interactive testing, debugging. So these are the different applications of the Python. So web applications, desktop, GUI applications, console-based applications, software development applications, scientific and numeric applications, business applications, audio or video-based applications, 3D CAD applications, enterprise applications, image processing applications, web development applications. So Python offers different frameworks for web development applications like Pyramid, Flash. So this framework is known for security purpose, flexibility purpose, and scalability purpose. So this is a web development application and game development application. So Python is used for Pygame, PySoy are the two Python libraries that are used for game development applications. Artificial artificial intelligence and machine learning application. So there is a large number of open source libraries which can be used while developing artificial intelligence or machine learning applications. So Python is used for desktop GUI. So GUI GUI means graphical user interface. So desktop GUI offers many toolkits and framework using which we can build desktop applications. So now here the libraries are PyQt, PyGTK, PyGuy as some of the GUI frameworks. So these are the desktop GUI applications.